Alright guys, so we're now at San Francisco International Airport. Ina and Harrison are flying back to Maryland, and I will be driving the car back to Maryland. So I will be doing the road trip back by myself. We're here at Terminal 3. Come on guys, let's find United. So Terminal 3. Alright, so we're gonna walk to Terminal 3 over there. Alright guys, so here to make this one. Usually I use the backpack. This time they're using the backpack now. Okay, let's go. Terminal 3 this way. Alright. Air train to Terminal 3. Oh, Terminal 3 and air train. So we're here already on. Your gate, you guys, F gates. Okay, so A, E, F gate. So International 3 they're flying with United today. Going to Baltimore. Connecting flight in Chicago. So from here going to Chicago, and then Chicago to BWI. It's only 1 hour layover time. All right.
Let me double check my phone.
Okay. Harrison's. E and F. All right. All gates. Terminal 3. Okay. All ready? All right. So we're gonna go to Terminal 3, guys. So Terminal 3 is here. So welcome to the international terminal. Even though they're not flying international today, but they're flying out from Terminal 3, which is gate E and F gates. All right. So Terminal 3, you make a left turn, you walk over there, you will get to Terminal 3. Are you guys excited to get home faster than driving? It take me a few days. Air train, no, we're not. I think we don't have to ride on the air train. We're at Terminal 3 now, going. Terminal 3, E and F gates. Come on, guy. All right, so we're now walking to Terminal 3. Okay. Oh, Terminal 3. So so you guys probably have to go downstairs to do the check-in first. Maybe it's here. I think the baggage. This is the baggage claim at zone 2 and 3. Yeah, go over there. I think United will be there. So probably we have to go downstairs to do the because they haven't printed the boarding pass yet. So we're gonna print the boarding pass. They will try to check in online because they're trying right to say they cannot check it online, but it's okay. I think United agent will be helping us. All right. All right. So I think this line is going to the security. All right. So I think we have to. Oh, United is here, right? I think United here is. Yeah. Here on. Here you guys can wait in here. Oh, maybe not that. This is recheck information. This go all the way over there. Wait, we'll go all the way over there. This is for recheck information for international connections. So if you fly to San Francisco, and then you have to check your bag and then recheck with your connecting flights. All right. There's a recheck bags here. Well, terminal is a long walk from 1 to 3. How you doing? Just hold it, make it official. All right, the experience, right? Terminal 3 and International E&F G gates. We will be there soon, guys. We will be there soon. Okay, so United. Okay, I think we're here now. We're here now, guys. In here. Come on, Harrison. Well, it's a pretty long walk, right? Woo! We're there now, guys. Come on. So you can use the kiosk to print your boarding pass, and then you should be good.